Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to track your created application via application app. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, Dev Application Tracking. First install this module, so click on this Activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to website and see here this manual job. If you want to apply for experienced developer, so easily select. And you can see here more details about this experienced developer. Now click on this apply button. You can easily add your name, email, phone number, profile, easily upload here resume and introduction about developer. And now click on this. So see here, this message is congratulations, your application has been posted successfully. We usually respond within 3 days. So now your application is created. Now go to recruitment app, go to application and see here is your created application. Now I want to track. So easily copy here your application number. Again go to this website and easily write here application tracking and now add here your application number and click on this check button. And see here, display name, position, department and status. So you can easily track here your created application. Display here your name, position, department name and status. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.